This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty, Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. Large family home with lots of space, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, large kitchen and dining area, large living room with fireplace and additional sunroom. Oversized 2-stall garage with large workshop. HUD homes are sold as is. Submit offers at HUDhomestore.com. Case number 161 to 335,741. Managed by Chrono Solutions. www.chronosolutions.com. Investor offers will not be considered until 01/10/2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob McGinnis at 712-255-7310.